Hi, educators. My name is Dr. Nathan Beel, and tonight I'm going to show you a use case for artificial intelligence to help jazz up your news items for students so that you can better engage them and have them more likely to read your announcements that you make in relation to your subjects. So I've got on the screen here some text that I wrote for one of my subjects that I teach, one of the first year subjects in psychology. And as you can see, the text, if I was to copy and paste this text, it's dense, it's not very visually appealing, and students who are really academics might read it, but those who are tired or busy or other things, they might just look at it and just think, oh my goodness, this is just too hard to get through. Okay, so if I'm wanting to enhance student engagement and have them access my readings a lot better, I need to have a way of delivering that material in a more effective way. So this video is showing how I've discovered this as a use for ChatGPT or Google Gemini or the various other sort of AI bots that you might use. And so what I've got is I've got some text here, and I've actually asked AI to help me to write a prompt. So you can just ask, please rewrite this text and add formatting to make enhanced readability for students for a news item within Moodle or Blackboard or whichever platform you use. Or you can ask AI to help you design a prompt that really targets what you're wanting to deliver in that particular prompt. So here I've got the thing. It says, rewrite and format the following announcement for a Moodle news post to maximize adult learner engagement. Include a catchy title, clear subheadings, short paragraphs, bullet points for tasks and deadlines, and a friendly, motivating tone. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to select it, Control C in my Windows computer. I've got Copilot on, and Copilot is the one which our organization uses to make sure it's within the organizational account. And you've got a choice, quick response, or you can go think deeper. I might try quick response now and just see what it gives me. So I put that in there. Now I'm going to hold the Shift key down and the Enter button. I'm going to do that twice just to separate the text I'm going to add. Now I've just selected this text, right click and copy it. Now I'm going to minimize it. So this is the text I want it to reformat, and I'm going to paste it there. Okay, so there it is. It's all ready to go. And then I hit this little up arrow, and now it's thinking. Okay, now it's given us some little icons and some dot points, and quite readable. To me, it's a little bit more chunked, a little bit more clear. So definitely something which is an improvement from what I've historically posted on there. Instead of my wall of text, it's a little bit more visually appealing. I probably don't prefer it as much as the Google equivalent. Let's try this again, but this time I'm going to um, add. I'm going to do the deep thinking one, see what difference that makes. Think deeper. Okay, let's try this now. So it's taking some time, little squiggles. Okay, quite similar to the last one. But again, it's just a lot more visually appealing. And let's try um, my Google Gemini. And this Google Gemini version is a paid version. And the paid version doesn't collect or train its large language model on the data. So here is I'm going to put the prompt in again. Now, I haven't tried this with this prompt, and I'm using Gemini Pro. And let's just see. I like Google Gemini because it's got a very large context window, so you can put a lot of text into this box without it overflowing, without it sort of truncating it. Okay, here it's thinking, and you can actually see what it's doing as it does it, which I like that. I like to be able to follow it and see how it's actually working out what to do. in my view, it's like a bit of a training for me. It helps me to see, okay, here's a logical process for what it's following. And I sort of see things, what it's doing. I think, oh, I never thought of that before. That's very interesting. Okay, so this is probably a little bit wordier. And for me, I prefer a little bit wordier. I don't like it when it's too brief. Um, but yeah, this is nice. I like this. It's quite clear. It's still very clear, but it hasn't chopped out a lot of the stuff that the other one seemed to. So this is, I guess, a reminder or supports the recommendation to try different chatbots out. I suspect Claude will give another one, and Claude's generally, from my experience, it really excels in the writing department and probably is a bit wordier than the others. But certainly have a try at it and try it out. But certainly it saves me a lot of time. I've already done most of the writing for my news items from the years before. But now it's really freshening them up. It's like a new coat of paint on them, and really enhances, in my view, enhances the clarity of what I'm writing, and the convenience and efficiency for students to be able to read it without having to wade through a wall of text. Okay, if you like this, hit the like button, and if you want more of these, hit the subscribe button. And looking forward to adding some more of my what I've found works in the AI space when it comes to education. All right, take care all, and see you next time. Bye.